I have done my engineering in Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore, and I joined here for in JSpiders in the month of August. And from that time, I was pursuing a full stack web development course where I have learned multiple technologies like web technology, Java, SQL. With that, I was ongoing with React, and now I have got placed in one company called Scale and Works. And I would like to thank all the JSpiders faculties and HRs who will keep on adding me for placements. Especially the HRs, they will keep on adding me for the placement so that I can quick start my career in IT sector. And then I would like to thank all the teachers. They helped me a lot in clarifying all my doubts, and they also taught me in a very good way that I learned from the scratch. So I'd like to thank all the team of JSpiders, all the faculties, HRs, everyone. Thank you.